Sabado, biyahe tayo. Pabalik ng Australia. But first, Singapore muna tayo. As usual. Nakabihis na ako. Kailangan ko lang suotin yung aking black pants. Ayusin ko lang yung buhok ko. Kasi pag naligo ako sa Singapore, mamaya hindi ko nababasain yung buhok ko. Si Ayla tulog pa, si Arlo gising na. So magpapaiwan si Mama kasi hindi na kami kasya. Dami kasi naming luggage. 3 malalaking luggage, isang maliit. Tapos backpack ni Dan na malaki. And then may bag din ata si Miss na malaki. Yung hand carry na bag. Kasi nandito si Honey eh. Tapos flight din kasi ni Honey mamaya. Mamayang gabi actually yung flight niya. So sabay na lang siya sa amin ngayon. And because kasama si Honey, sama din dapat si Wiwin. Taga Davao pala si Honey guys. So si Mama yung magpapaiwan. Kailangan na natin ng van pagbalik natin. My goodness. Lumalaki na ang pamilya, kailangan na natin ng van. Pag 3 na yung mga bata, good luck. Naglagay lang ako sunscreen, blush. Nasa baba na yung isang luggage namin kasi naka-close na yun. Ito na lang. But that's full as well. Kailangan ko pa kasing ilagay dyan yung mga pajamas ng mga bata. Papalitan ko sila, tapos ilagay dyan, tapos pwede niyan i-close. So ito yung suot ko. Suotan ko na din yung sapatos ko. Ayoko sana magsapatos pa muna from here to Singapore. Kaya lang, kailangan ko magsapatos from Singapore to Adelaide. So sabi ko, ayoko na siyang i-pack. Tapos suotin sa Singapore. So suotin ko na lang siya ngayon. And then my bag is this one.
It's ready to pay.
Not yet. Kids clothes. Gwapo na kaya akong buboy, oh.
Ano man? Pinas mo kaya.
Igang mo sa Singapore. Hala, bali pag yun.
It's backwards.
Yeah, it's backwards. You ready to go home, sis?
Not really, sis.
I am ready. Okay na sa akin yung ganun kahaba. Ay, dahil may nilagay akong damit dun sa bed. I-try mo daw kasi ganahan ka. Ayla is awake. But, Daddy's holding her. Nakapajamas pa din siya. Maya na namin siya bihisan. Asa mas Mama?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Ayla, say bye to Lola. It's Lola, Mama.
This is mga mood in Lakaw.
Yeah.
Morning. Morning, good.
Hello.
Bye.
Bye. So see you soon.
See you soon. That's true. What?
Yeah, see you soon, Lola.
Soon.
Bye-bye. See you in Australia. See you in Australia. Are you gonna see Lola soon, ate?
You say goodbye.
Ay, udah.
No, say
Bye, Ma.
Bye, Ma.
Bye. Bye. See you soon.
See you. See you very soon. Bye.
Bye-bye, Diane. Thank you.
I like one.
Tolo na naman. Alright. Wait, I need to pee. Daddy's waiting outside. See you in, I don't know. Tulog si Ayla, guys. Sa harap.
Sisilig sa lagi ko talaga tatagmaktan.
Where are we now? SRP, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Carlos here. In fairness, hindi naman
Hindi naman malisod. Hindi naman malisod ang kahimtang namin dito.
hindi, sabihin ko sana sana
I-English na lang.
10 minutes into driving, tulog siya agad, guys.
Ganun tao sa kano? Ubus sa bridge siya.
Oo, nag-unsa na sila.
Ambot lang.
Sila Slater, nagkabutan nila. Ilang yung project.
Bas.
Parang luwag-luwag lang namin ni Honey, oh. Pero bang! Dito ka lang titingin sa likod, ang luwag-luwag. Si Mark at saka si ay! Salitan sila.
Salita naman kayo dyan. Kira kawing?
Dito kami sa Jollibee. Bida ang saya. Naka-order na kami tapos sabi nila matagal-tagal daw kasi marami silang order. Sobrang busy dito. Baka papunta din ng airport tong mga to. Yeah. Sobrang daming tao, puno. Daming tao, oh. Si Ayla nakapajamas pa din kasi tulog siya kanina eh. But that's okay. I got her clothes in my bag. Oh, suits you, Dada. It. Baby. Right? You like it?
Careful, boy.
Nice.
Come on, boy.
Anong oras na ba? Yung flight namin alauna eh. So we're good.
Sorry?
Our flight is 1. So 1, yeah? Yeah. So okay lang.
I'm assuming. I don't know. I haven't looked at it.
1. My phone is in my bag. In the car. Say good morning, guys. Where are we going today? Home. We're gonna go home.
I have to go home.
Baby, we're just on holiday. We don't live here.
Bye-bye.
We gotta go home. You gotta say bye to Tito.
Bye, Ayla.
Say bye to Tita Honey too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
best friend.
No.
Who's not your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Are you gonna miss Tito Mark? Who are you gonna miss the most?
Tito Honey.
What about the Titos?
Who else? Huh? Tita Rich, she's coming with us.
The Titos.
How about Tito Mark? And Tito Marlon and Tito
I'll
Wayne?
miss you.
We will
I'll
miss
miss
you
you.
so much.
I'll miss your funniness because you're very funny.
We will miss a really funny girl. Uy! Are you gonna miss Tito Wayne?
We're friends.
Yummy bread! Nagbaon kami guys ng Francis at saka pandesal. Kain na naman siya, Francis. Kumain na yan siya kanina eh. Kain na naman. Do you want bread, ate? Or do you want to wait for your spaghetti? Okay. Yummy! More? Yung kinakain niya, yung sa ano lang, dulo. Hingi na naman ang more.
This is not nice. Is that for his nose? How do you give it a wipe?
Feels like it. Hug ate. Uno hug ate. Ano? Okay. Magic, kain tayo nito kasi ang tagal. Ayan, kakarating lang. Anong oras na? Just wait, baby. Drink is coming. Magic, kain. I want it.
I want it. You want to stick your straw? I'm basically I want food.
Yeah, I'm done. Wala yung burger.
I have my bag here.
Ow.
I mean,
Wala, ang sarap, boy.
I bet the kids will make another spaghetti. I bet the kids will get like a spaghetti happy meal.
Isn't that it?
No, that's my spaghetti salad. Is that my spaghetti sissy or the happy meal spaghetti?
Ang daming kulang sa order namin, guys. Tagal na nga. Ang dami pang kulang. Hala.
Lucky kids.
Airplane! May airplane si si Arlo. Mas walang cutlery, no? May langaw pa yung pagkain ko, hindi ko napansin. Yahak. Malapit na ako matapos. Malapit na ako matapos. Nakita ko sa gilid may langaw. Mas patay pa siya na langaw, so hindi siya kakadako lang. Juice? Ay, naku. Oh, here, alo, juice. Busog na ako. May bago tuloy ako. Nandito lang pala siya. Naka-rest siya dito sa gilid. Hindi ko nakita. Ay! Naku. Kaya nga. Akala ko kasi mga ano lang, yung itim-itim sa... Ano ba? Burger steak. Closer look pala eh. Iba pala ang itsura. Ilang oras na waste dun? Ano oras na? 10:15? We have to go. It's 25 minutes away.
I want it. I want it. I want it.
No, init na ganit kayo.
Ano ba?
You silly boy.
Full sa liga na. 55 na lang. And we are here. Ang dami niyan. Ha? Oh, that's mine! My goodness. Yeah.
Say goodbye to the titos.
Say goodbye. We will not see them for a long time.
Hug.
Hug.
We are missing a princess.
Tito Waynes.
Tito Mark.
Tito Mark.
Tito Mark. Mama, inunung.
Bye-bye daw. Say bye to Tito Mark.
Hello. Bye-bye.
Say bye to Tito Mark. Tito Waynes. Tito Waynes. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye, tayo.
Bye, Wen.
Ci, aku di Ci.
Say bye. Bye. Biskut eh. We made it through! Kakatapos lang namin sa immigration, guys. Diretso tayo dito. Pretty easy, not busy. It's good. Good, my love?
Yep.
Arlo, oh my gosh, Arlo. Sticky boy. Dito kami sa Coach. And yung may naka-sale 50% discount. Kaya lang hindi kasali yung cream. Ito yung gusto ko. Yung wristlet. Yung small ata ito na tabi eh. Pwede ra. Sige. Naka 50% discount pero yung black. Yan yung gusto ko. Tingnan niyo tong batang to. Ah. Minion sticker. Nasa arm na ni Arlo, guys. Ang dami na. Oh my goodness, Alo. Look at it.
Here's Bunker.
Lagi. May runny nose talaga yung aking Arlo.
Top 10.
Kaka-wipe ko lang yan. Do you like it, Alo?
Little minions.
It's so fun. Ayla, are you ready to sit next to Tita Rich?
I
Uh-uh.
don't want to.
Why not?
Mommy, yes, Mommy.
Is that Mommy's airplane? Feeling namin yan yung airplane namin. Kaya lang kakalabas lang ng mga tao, so baka ma-delay yung ating check-in. Where? Where is Mommy's airplane? Ay, bless you! Pero timing kaya ha. Ay, balik na yun. Yeah. Again. Okay, go. Let's go. You know what? I think she thinks you're the mom because you got the New Zealand passport. I got the Philippines passport.
You're the yaya.
You're the pregnant yaya.
We're here. Oh, Alo, you did it! Alo did his seatbelt. Well done. Oh, well done, boy. You did it. Yeah. Yeah, seatbelt. Here.
I did it too.
Oh, baby, look
I
at
did
you.
it very tight.
Oh my gosh, to keep you really safe.
Rebel Otto did it very tight.
Yeah, he did it very tight too. Good job,
I
guys.
can't get out now.
I know.
Can't get
You can't get out now. Ate, can I have the boarding passes, please? All those. Yeah, all of them.
No, Mom.
We should have 5. Thank you.
I tell you a story.
Oh.
Why you have to do that?
Huh?
This that do?
That's a life jacket. It's a life jacket, yes.
That's a life jacket. That.
If we go in the water, we will need it.
Why you have to go to the water?
Just in case we have to go to the water. No, we don't have to go to the water, but just in case. Because we fly. Huh? Kuya.
Why did not fly such mom?
This is mom's seat. Yeah, this is Kuya's seat.
To your seat.
Kuya's seat, this one. And Ati's seat. Where's Ati's seat?
To your daddy's seat.
Where's Daddy's seat?
Dad. Dada. Dad.
Where's Tita Rich seat?
Tita's seat is gone.
Tita's seat is gone. Where's Tita? Where's Tita Rich? Where is she? Oh no, she's gone. She's gone. Where is she? Where's Tita Rich?
I did to myself.
Ipangita ka niya.
I did to myself.
Oh, well done, baby.
I can help.
Okay, you help?
Help you do that and do this.
Oh, wow. Good job. Ta-da!
Yeah, and now do this. Do this. There.
Good job, Alo.
And now,
And now?
Mom, I'm hungry.
Really?
Hungry. Now we have to do this and close it.
Yay!
And you have to do this.
Watch your finger. No, not yet. Alright, go.
Now you have to do this.
Hi. You okay?
Now I like. Now I rest.
Alo, where's Tita Rich?
Where's this do? Where's this do?
That's an armrest.
Why that's the armrest?
To rest your arm.
I don't like Mom. Oh no,
We made it to Singapore. We have been walking. Punta kaming Jewel. Kasi sa Yotel Air kami magsistay. Ay, sorry. Nasabi ko ba? Mag-ano kami. Magsistay kami sa hotel kasi mahaba yung layover natin. 6 hours and a half. Ooh, Starbucks! We can go there. Anak ako, we can go there later. Pero Terminal 3 tayo mamaya. Ito, gustong-gusto ilagay sa shoulder si Arlo. Para naman talagang... Ayla, you can't carry him. He's too heavy. I know you're strong. I know you're strong, baby.
Next year you can, ate.
Transit Hotel Swimming Pool. Huh? Where is this? Well, hello guys. We've checked in. Kanina pa. Nakapag-shake shack na si Dan. Well, nag-take away lang siya. Nandito. Did you eat already, babe?
Yeah.
Oh, nakapag-shake shack na siya. Eh, naligo na din ako. Hindi ko lang binasa yung buhok ko, but nakaligo na ako. Nakabihis na ako. Now, we will go out, me and sis. Bonding kami, guys. We will bond. Foot Locker, try natin. Yeah. We're walking. Meron daw kaming 2 hours, sabi ni Dan. Yan din yung gusto ko i-try, yung samba.
Samba uncomfortable?
Yeah. Uncomfortable daw. Gusto kong i-check yung ano, guys, Onitsuka. Meron ba yun dito yan? Samba. Try nga natin yung samba. Ay, sabi na mas maano daw, mas komportable yung gazelle.
Ang gazelle?
Yeah. Tapos murag itsura ra niya sa samba. Dito kami, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang cute. Oh, white. Oh, cute niyan. Ay,
itong TL.
ang cute. Kaya lang mayroon na si Arlo eh. Binigyan siya. $29 lang. Umura lang. SGD. Pasok tayo, coach, guys. Ay, may sale daw. Ay, daramis. Oh, ang cute. Yan na hardware, oh. Ayun, oh. Nice. Yeah. Tingnan natin. Hello. Tingnan nyo. Ang cute. Hinahanap ko yung ano, yung soft na leather. Guys, may Onitsuka pala. Oh, ang busy pa. Ayan, itry natin. Gusto ko to itry. Asan yung maganda nila? Ayun yung kay Michelle, no? Green.
Ito yung bet ko sa mga design dito.
Maganda din. Ang gaan lang. Dili, feeling na ko sa tura ang 36. 37 to. Huh? 37 to.
37 na?
Oo. 37 pero size 6 man. So, ang 36 size 5.
Tanawa.
Yeah, medyo maluwag konti. Try natin. See?
Asa ang US size? Ano yung 4 niya?
Hindi, nasa box nakita ko kanina. Like, say 5 and a half, 36. Awa, sa box. Yung kuha ni ate, 5 and a half. Size 36. Try natin. Thank you. Mura sa guot. Para namang masikip. Ganda ba?
Tanawa sa amin.
Tingnan nyo kaming dalawa. Pinagtatry na.
Winning na naman.
Twinning! Pero parang hindi ko siya bet. Parang hindi maganda yung tsura.
Front mo, lain na.
Lagi. Parang ano. Tinry ko yan, guys. Hindi ko gusto yung itsura sa akin. Maganda. Maganda siya tingnan. Pero hindi ko siya bet sa akin. Gusto mo? Yeah. Sige. Dito kami sa Backyard Bakers. Ito yung gustong-gusto ko na ano. Brownie. Sarap nito. Try natin Nutella. Ano sa'yo? Macadamia o Nutella? Ako
First option kanina.
Sige.
Hello, hi.
Hi.
Thank you for
2 macadamias. Yeah. 1 Nutella. And 1 dark chocolate glaze. Yes.
29, 10 cents.
Yep.
You don't mind putting the box for you?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you. Guess where we are, guys? Uniqlo again. Hanap siya ng ano, Heattech. Bili kami nito, guys, pants. Kasyang-kasya sa belly ko eh. Isa lang. Kasi feeling ko maluwag na siya kapag ano. Actually, drawstring man siya. Ay, okay lang kung maluwag. Kaya lang baka sobrang haba na kapag wala ng belly. Check out na kami, guys. Tignan niyo, bilis lang nito, ha. Okay na ako, drop na ako. Isa. Start. Are you an app member? I am.
You are?
Yeah. Kapoy man. Ayaw na lang. See? Agad-agad. Diyan oh. Sobrang bilis lang. Yes. No. We're back! Dito kami nakastay. Bilis lang yung sinakyan naming elevator. Diretso. Left lang dito. Ay, right pala. Dito na kami. Nasa akong bag.
You're really good, right, boy?
Look at her, Buboy. So guapo! Yay! Look at that boy. That's from Tita Bianca and her sisters. Thank you, guys. And cute. Yeah, the girls we met in Solea. Yeah, Solea. The 3 girls. Yeah. So guapo, boy. I love it. He's so guapo. Suot-suot ko yung pants na binili ko sa Uniqlo. Yeah. Ha? Mamaya na lang. Guys, papunta na kami sa Terminal 3. Naglalakad kami ba? Tapos nakita namin yung pinagstayhan namin last time, yung Crown. Kitang-kita namin ang anong tawag doon? Lakatoy. Kitang-kita namin ang bathtub. Diba? Hindi pala siya tinted. Yeah. Napaka-glass ng window natin. Layo na ni Dan. Hey, good boy! Wakalater kami eh. Ayun si Miss. Oh. Dala-dala si Ayla. Tulog pa din si Ayla. Kanina pa yan tulog sa shopping namin ni Miss. Hello! Ang cute. Dito na kami malapit sa aming gate, guys. Kaya lang, wala pa, hindi pa open. So, mamaya na. May Uniqlo din doon. So, nandun si Miss. Chinek niya lang kung may heat tech. And dance in the toilet. And I'm with Arlo, boy. Arlo! Oh! Why? I'll fix. Ito yung trip niya ngayon. Wait, mommy fix? Pika? Boo! Uniqlo.
Oh, with Anna?
Yeah. She's checking if they've got the heat tech. Uy, sorry. Sobrang comfortable ng Uniqlo na pants. Yes. Nagtingin-tingin kami ng mga powder. Wala. Dito kami sa harap ng cosmetics and perfumes. But yeah, she's holding Ayla. Nakakarga talaga kay Ayla. Ayaw ni Ayla magpababa. Kakagising lang. There you go. People are starting to line up.
That's right, I will stay back.
Yeah, we'll wait. My gosh, look at my belly, Arlo. So big. So big. Where is Arlo? Where is Arlo? Little Min. So, nagpunta kami dyan kanina. Kaya lang wala kaming nahanap. Tas si Miss nandun sa kabila naman. Uniqlo naman siya. Kasi dun sa kabila, walang hitek na kasya sa kanya. Ayun na, karga-karga niya si Ayla. Are you gonna let mommy sleep tonight? No. Are you gonna let me sleep tonight? Last time, ganito yung flight namin, hindi mo ako pinatulog. I was holding you the whole time. The whole time. Now you have your own seat. Can you sit on your seat and sleep? No. Kaya nga, feeling ako na paak niya sa lollipop. What?
Bedtime.
Bedtime now, yeah. Are you gonna sleep? Good night. Huh? I love your outfit, boy. Play na kami, guys. Arlo, naod na ng Moana. Which one? What do you want to watch? What? What do you want to watch? What do you mean this one? There's nothing there. Ito yung ano natin seatmate. Nilagyan ng sticker kay Miss. Ah, hindi sa inyo, sa'yo yan, sa kanya. I don't know. Daddy and Ayla at the back. Ang cute ni ate.
I want that.